Today I will share with you how to film and edit 5 epic travel vlog shots in Iceland, so let's get started. Shot number 1 is the bumper shot. To capture this shot I am using the Delkin Fat Gecko 3-way suction cup mount and the Insta360 150cm carbon fiber selfie stick. Now when you use this setup under normal temperatures between 0 and 40 degrees, the suction cups have never failed on me, but in Iceland it was below 0 degrees, it was between -10 and -14 degrees, so the suction cup would start to fail after 5 to 10 minutes of driving, so I highly recommend you tether the suction cups to your car if you want to drive for a long period of time to keep the setup safe and other people around you. For this shot I am filming in 360 video mode at 5.7K 30 frames per second. Mount the suction cups on the back of your car and extend the selfie stick by 1 or 2 stems and drive off. To edit this shot, the first thing I will do is turn on direction lock so the X3 follows the direction the car is traveling in. So to do this, go to settings and turn on direction lock. Next I will add speed to turn this shot into a hyperlapse. So to do this, go to speed. In the speed section, I will use 8 times speed. Tap the tick to confirm. And finally, I'm going to add a keyframe to reframe my shot. So I'll position the car in the middle, add a keyframe, and now you have a bumper shot. You will need to export the shot to see the final result. Shot number 2 is the zoom in shot. To capture this shot, I am using the Insta360 Monopod Pro. For this shot, I am filming in 360 video mode at 5.7K 30 frames per second. Put down the monopod on a flat surface and now you're hands-free to carry out your activity. To edit this shot, first I will pinch my fingers inwards to zoom out and position the rock in the bottom rule of thirds line. Add a keyframe, then go to the end of the shot, add a keyframe, use the linear field of view, and position the rock in the bottom rule of thirds line. Update the keyframe to save this view, and you now have a zoom in shot. Shot number 3 is the Timeshift Shot. To capture this shot, I am using the Insta360 150cm selfie stick. For this shot, I am filming in 360 video mode at 5.7K 30 frames per second. Extend the selfie stick above your head and walk forward for at least a minute in a smooth line. To edit this shot, the first thing I'll do is add speed. So to do this, go to speed, section speed, leave the first second as normal speed so the audience can see the waterfall from far. Then add section speed throughout the entire shot and leave the last second at normal speed so the audience can see the waterfall closer up. Tap the tick to confirm and change this speed to 16 times speed and tap the tick to confirm. The next step is to reframe the shot. So go to the beginning of the shot, place the waterfall in the center and add a keyframe. Then go to the end of the shot, place the waterfall in the center, add a keyframe, change the field of view to linear to zoom in even further, and you now have a timeshift shot. You will need to export the shot to see the final result. Shot number 4 is the hamster wheel shot. To capture this shot, I am using the 500g counterweight and the tripod legs from the Insta360 Monopod Pro. For this shot, I am filming in 360 active HDR video mode at 5.7K 30 frames per second. Take one big step away from the X3 and run in a circle around it. To edit this shot, I will add a keyframe at the beginning of the shot, use the tiny planet field of view, pinch my fingers inwards to zoom out further, swipe my finger down to turn it into a hamster wheel, update the keyframe to save this view. Then I'll go to the end of the shot, add a keyframe, go to rotate, and because I'm running in the anti-clockwise direction, I'm going to rotate the footage in the opposite direction, which is clockwise, until I'm back on the bottom of the hamster wheel. And now you have a hamster wheel shot. Shot number 5 is the highlight shot. To capture this shot, I am using the Best 360 Monopod Pro and the Best 360 camera backpack. For this shot, I am filming in 360 video mode at 5.7K 30 frames per second. Put the 500 gram counterweight and the selfie stick through the selfie stick holder, and the 500 gram counterweight will hold the selfie stick in place so it doesn't move left and right. Tighten the strap and close the lock to secure the selfie stick. Fully extend the selfie stick in the air and off you go. To edit this shot, you need 3 short clips. So to do this, go to Trim, Jump Cut. My first short clip will be of me approaching the plane. So I will tap the scissor icon here, make a 2-second selection, tap the scissor icon, and now I have my first short clip. Then I'll move forward to find my second short clip, which will be of me climbing onto the plane. So I'll tap the scissor icon here and make a 2-second selection. Tap the scissor icon again. Now I have my second short clip. Then I'll move forward to find my third short clip, just before I try to get up and stand on the plane. So I'll tap the scissor icon here. This time I'll make a 3-second selection. Tap the scissor icon. Now I have my 3 short clips. Tap the tick to confirm, and the app will put the 3 shots together. The next step is to reframe each shot individually. So for the first shot, I will pinch my fingers inwards and reframe so I'm walking towards the plane. Add a keyframe here, and I'll keep the plane in the center of the frame. For the second shot, I'll reframe towards myself trying to climb onto the plane. Add a keyframe here. I'll change to the linear field of view to get rid of fisheye distortion. Update the keyframe to save this view. And I'll add another keyframe here. For the third shot, I'll reframe towards myself, trying to stand up on the plane. And around 2 seconds into the shot, I will look down at myself, pinch my fingers inwards to turn it into a tiny planet view. Add a keyframe here, and you now have a highlight shot. If you are enjoying and learning a lot from this video, then consider sharing this video with your friends and family so they can also get the best out of their X3. Now here are 3 bonus shots. Bonus shot 1 is no drone, no problem shot. To capture this shot, I am using the Insta360 3-meter extended selfie stick. For this shot, I am filming in 360 video mode at 5.7K 30 frames per second. Fully extend the selfie stick and point it close to the ground, then slowly walk backward and lift the selfie stick into the air. To edit this shot, first I will look down towards the flow of water, add a keyframe, use the linear field of view to get rid of fisheye distortion, then I will move forward around 3.5 seconds to reveal the river. Add a keyframe here. 1 second later, I will reframe to look towards the waterfall. Add a keyframe here. And at the end of the shot, I will add a keyframe to remove the coning platform from the view. And you now have a no drone, no problem shot. Bonus shot 2 is the auto reframe shot. To capture this shot, I am using the Best 360 magnetic camera mount and the Best 360 150cm selfie stick. For this shot, I am filming in 360 video mode at 5.7K 30 frames per second. Mount the magnet on the roof of your car and drive for 2 minutes at 30 or 40 miles per hour on smooth road. To edit this shot, go to Auto, Analyze, and wait for the analysis to finish. Go to Forward View, tap each shot to check the results. Choose your favorite result, and you now have an auto reframed shot. Bonus shot 3 is the Animate photo shot. To capture this shot, I am using the Best 360 magnetic camera mount and the Best 360 150cm selfie stick. For this shot, I am using 360 photo mode, 18 megapixels, ISO 400, white balance 5000 Kelvin, shutter speed 10 seconds, and pure shot mode. Mount the magnet on the roof of your car to get the best view of the sky. To edit this shot, go to Animate, choose a template of your choice, and now you have an animated photo shot. That's it for this video. Hit the like button if you learned something new, subscribe for more X3 tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.